Welcome back to Ingezo Education. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So now we'll be focusing on DBE November 2022, question number 4. So in this video, we'll be doing 4.1 up until what? 4.1.3 there. Nice. So for 4.1 there, it says now, simplify the following. For 4.1.1, we're given what? 4.1.1, we are given sine of how much? Sine of 360 degrees minus alpha. So that was the equation, sine of 360 degrees minus alpha. So sine of 360 degrees minus alpha will be equals to how much? 360 minus is the homo for cos, not the homo for sine. It will be minus sine of alpha. Done. 4.1.2. We're given what? Tan squared pi minus alpha. We're given tan squared pi minus alpha. So tan squared, remember that we said pi, it is the same as what? 180. So it simply means here we are having what? It simply means here we are having 180 minus this, minus pi there, which is you're going to have how much now? We start solving, open a bracket. Tan of 180 minus is not the home for, tan, which is you're going to have tan of what? Tan of alpha all squared, which is this will be minus because 180 minus is not the home for tan. But tan, negative tan alpha squared to do what? Positive tan squared alpha. That will be our 4.1.2. 4.1.3 there. 4.1.3, we're having what? A sine of 360 minus alpha. And let's write the question for 4.1.3. We're having what? Sine of 360 minus alpha multiplied by tan of how much? 180 degrees minus alpha multiplied by how much? Cosecant of 2 pi minus alpha. All divided by how much? Cos of how much? 360 degrees plus alpha multiplied by cosecant of what? 180 degrees minus alpha multiplied by tan squared of what? Of pi minus alpha. Nice. So that is our equation for 4.1.3. Thank you very much. So let's start solving now. Sine of 360 minus, it is not the home for sine. We're going to have sine alpha minus sine alpha. Tan of 180 minus is not the home for tan. Minus tan alpha. Cosecant now, we're going to have what? 1 divided by how much? 1 divided by sine of 2 pi minus alpha, all divided by how much now? Cos of 360 plus, it's in the first quadrant, it's positive. Cos of alpha. Cosecant now, which you're going to have 1 divided by sine of how much? 180 degrees minus alpha multiplied by how much? Tan squared, it is the same as how much now? 180 minus is not the home for tan. It will be minus tan of alpha all squared. Nice. So negative multiplied by negative, it will be positive. Nice. Which is you're going to have how much now? Thank you very much. So you might as well leave tan as it is, which is negative multiplied by negative, it will be positive. Sine of alpha multiplied by how much? by tan of alpha multiplied by how much? Sine of 360 minus, it will be how much? Minus 1 divided by how much? Sine of how much? Sine of alpha. Zonke zizojikelele yonke indawo. We hope that we still are on the same page, we still understand. Thank you very much. What we did with this 2 pi is what? 2 pi simply means 360. Remember in the first video we talked about 2 pi means 360. It simply means we're having sine of 360 minus there. 360 minus, it will produce negative sine. Divided by how much? By cos of alpha. 1 divided multiplied by 1 divided by how much? Sine of 180 minus, it will be how much? Sine of theta multiplied by how much? By tan squared alpha. Remember we're talking about alpha. Sorry, let me just fix that for alpha. Nice. So sine and sine will divide each other. We'll be left with how much? Negative tan of alpha. Then what is left now? Which is now, you see now we are going to have how much now? Cos multiplied by this, it will be how much? Cos of alpha divided by sine of alpha multiplied by tan squared alpha, which is we still have negative tan of alpha. This we still remember is what? 1 divided by tan of alpha. Is 1 divided by tan of alpha multiplied by how much? By tan squared alpha there. Nice. You see this one will divide, you'll be left with 1 there. Nice. Nice. Which is this one and this one will divide each other. We'll be left with how much now? Our answer will be negative 1. Zonke zizojikelele yonke indawo. The solution for this question, the answer will be how much? Negative 1. Zonke zizojikelele yonke indawo. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. That was our 4.1.3 now. So just end the video here. In the next video, we'll be doing 4.2 and 4.3. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Zonke zizojikelele yonke indawo. Danko.